He kinda let them be sat in the cage. I can see through the spike. Niggas creeping like mice. I'ma speed through the mic. You got to be more precise. You ain't wrong if you right. Had a wonderful night. Paid a hell of a price. Paid a hell of a price. Yeah, I'm a train killer.
Hey yo, what's good YouTube? It's your boy Saucy, and today I'm gonna be showing you how to prevent creases in your sneakers, just like this. And without further ado, let's get right into the video. Alright, so I'm gonna give y'all a couple different options on how to prevent creases in your sneakers. And first thing you're gonna do is use sneaker shields, these plastic ones. Alright, so these sneaker shields, I'll put everything in the link to the description, and they go for like $25 or $20, and you can get them pretty cheap if you get them somewhere else probably, but I recommend getting them from sneakershields.com. I'll put everything in the link in the description like I just said. And yeah, so as y'all, for example, right here, if y'all know me in real life, y'all know I wear these heavy, and like I don't even have this anything inside of it right now. I wear these heavy and they have like no creases at all whatsoever. And for another example, I do wear these heavy a lot too, and as y'all see, no creases whatsoever. And these are all leather uppers, like, and look, there's nothing inside of it whatsoever. There's no creases at all. Like, I'll get a close-up right here, no creases. And so yeah, these are probably one of the best things to use to prevent creases. Oh yeah, another tip for you guys, if you want to like prevent your uppers from getting creased a lot, try not to go wear them like hot weather, like super hot, because the heat will like compress it down and stuff. I'm not trying to sound super smart, but you know what I mean. The heat will like expand it, and then it goes down, and it'll like shrink a little bit, you feel me? Just like if you put something in the washer on hot or cold, it can either shrink or get bigger, you don't know. And another thing y'all could do to prevent creases, use force shields. And I don't really recommend them that much, but like you could go for, you probably put them in like Air Forces. I would probably only wear these with Air Forces, because these are made for Air Forces obviously. And so yeah, alright, so before I wrap up this video, make sure y'all go follow my Instagram. Let it focus. I don't know if it's backwards or not, but it's my Instagram. And make sure you go add my Snapchat, of course, all right here, RobertWC28. Instagram is Robert W. Craig, obviously. And so yeah, so make sure you guys, if you want to be featured in one of my videos, go on my Instagram, DM me a picture of your sneaker collection, and that'll probably be one of my next videos. So yeah, y'all know my Instagram, everything's in the link to the description. Make sure y'all subscribe, like the video, share it around, because I'm trying to get my views up. I'm trying to hit 2,000 subscribers by the end of April. And so yeah, so without further ado, it's been your boy Saucy, and I'm out.
Like mail. Like mail.